Okay, yes, we out here today. How y'all doing? We out here following up on the estimate that we did on the back patio deck. So today, we finna stand this thing out for my man, for my customers. See, this is how the before, and I'm gonna let you sit here and watch all the whole process. I'm gonna try to make it very convenient so y'all can see it all today. From start to finish. Want y'all to. So first what we're gonna do, we're gonna wet down our deck. That way we can make sure and ensure that the chemical stays on. Okay, so once we get down wetting it, now we finna apply our chemical, so work. This here, what we are doing, we are restoring the wood. We are not just cleaning it, we are restoring it. So it's a difference in cleaning and restoring. As you can see, it turns white. That lets you know it's working. It's eating the lichen. It's doing what I do. I want to give y'all a close-up before I get on going. This is where we starting at. You know, the deck, y'all seen the gray, but since it's wet, it look a little different. And then this is what, after you rinse the chemicals off, this is the wood restore, our restoring process. You see, this is the deck after I'm rinsing. I'm gonna have to do another application to get the last little bit off. But this is, you see the difference. Rinsed with the chemical, still got the chemical on, and haven't had his rinse. You see where we going at. I love what I do. I love this. A happy customer when I get done. All right, let's get back to it. Okay, we're done with the second step of the deck restoration. Now, if you look at, remember the first time, and I'm gonna have to show y'all how it looked at before, and now look at it. Looks so much better. See, it's not white because we are not bleaching it. We're allowing you to keep your wood grain tone. It allows you to keep the texture and the color of the wood. So this is what separates us from the regular pressure washing companies. We use the proper techniques, the right chemicals to give you that luxury finish. And we are not even finished yet. And look how it looks. Do you remember when I first showed you? So now, what we're about to do is put our third step on. We're going to start our third step, and that's now applying the second chemical. Okay, I'll let y'all miss the first part of me spraying it down, but I'm going to let you catch the back part. Y'all seen the magic happening before your eyes. Before I get started on the wood, on the bench, I'm gonna let you see it before. Before I put the final step on it, next to the last step, I'm gonna let you see it. And then as I apply the chemical, I'm gonna let you understand it.